Yeah, so from
in.
not a physical access control like we offer, which is managing your doors and actual physical entryways, you're talking from like a logical access control perspective. Yeah, so we have all the things that you would expect. Obviously, you have the ability to create roles with granular permissions. So as you create users, you can give them access to whatever cameras, whatever doors, whatever information or not that you want them to have access to. And again, there's no limit. We charge a subscription or a perpetual license, which is unique to us as well in cloud. Per device, you can have as many users, you can have as many people, as many access control card holders as you want. You know, so you can easily manage the roles, what access they have. It's very easy to share video clips and again, see an audit trail of who's been looking at it, who's been sharing it, and whether that was appropriate or not. And you can actually recall that access centrally from the app. So you can make that a dead link and nobody can get through there anymore. You can use from a physical access control, gives you that logical control, meaning when can people come in the door, and you can actually tie your video events natively.